Right. All right, all right. Action. Oh, chicken. Take one, right? Here. Nice. Come on. Nice. Oh. Look at these nerds. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. I know. Oi. I know you guys like your chicken. I know what you guys like. I know what you like. You don't remember? I think I forget. I know what my little babies like. Oh, this phone don't fucking like to stay where it's supposed to be. Good enough. Good enough. $2. That's all. Got a couple more cats, and I gotta go back to my little park and feed those nerds too. I hate getting this shit all over my head. I start out with gloves on, but I always want to film how cute they are when they're eating chicken. These little fucking nerds. Here we go. Oh, heavens. Let's see here. There you go. Is that good? All right. Here we go. We got 2 more rows to feed. It's 10 o'clock. We'll be down here by like 10:20. I'll be back home.